Hey everybody, welcome back. This video is going to be especially fun because I just bought the JBL Xtreme. Yes, this guy. This is supposed to be an awesome speaker, and there is one larger. It's the JBL Boombox, but I decided to settle on this simply for the portability because I travel a lot. We go out boating. It's splash proof. I don't need it to be waterproof. I don't need full IPX7. I don't need to dunk it in the water. A little bit of splash is okay, but generally I just wanted it to be protected from any splash that happens from people going by or, you know, whatever. So this was a good idea. I liked its sound quality as I demoed in Best Buy. And originally these are $299. I got this one for $208 because I did a price match on Newegg. So this should be fun. I'm sorry, not Newegg. I got on bhphotovideo.com. So, I'm going to do a few videos. We'll go over the unboxing here in this one. And then I'll do another one on upgrading the firmware, on some bass tests. You'll get to see the passive radiators on both sides flexing. I'm not going to take it apart. I'm not doing any of that crazy stuff. I want to keep it as it is. Remember, I have 14 days to return this if something's wrong. Have not even had it out of the box yet, so I'm not sure what I'm going to get into. If anything's broken, I have no idea. But we will find out. So let's tear into this thing real quick, shall we? Because that's the fun part. So, quality box. Looks like we get a little picture here on the upper lid. As a party, this is probably what you're going to feel like if you use this. Okay, however you get into here, I think there's cords in there. Oh, here we go. This is, take it all the way out, is a power cord. Probably charges using the brick that's in this side, I'm guessing. Oh, okay, so we have user manual. Nobody ever reads that. And yes, I was right. A small little power brick here. JBL's nice logo on it. And it is this kind of charger. So it doesn't charge through micro USB or anything like that. But you use these two in conjunction to charge it. Now let's take a look inside. Very well wrapped all the way around. Nice padding. Get this thing out of here. Okay, this could be... Whoa, what's that? Let's move the box over here. We'll get to the good guy here in a second, so... What is this? Aha! I should have figured. This is the shoulder strap. And these clip onto the top of the speaker and allow you to sling it over your shoulder and carry it either like a man bag or a purse or, you know, whatever. But you have that option if you really want to look like that. So let's get into the main guy here. He's not light. I'll definitely give you that. Okay, so there we are. All this crap out of frame doesn't look so stupid. There we go. So this is the JBL Xtreme speaker. Thing has a, oh, what was its frequency response? If we go back to the box, we'll see down here in the corner, it is a 70 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Now 70 hertz seems a little high to me, but for something this size and the sound quality that it puts out, definitely well worth it. Very much so. So for those not familiar, a passive radiator in this case is not a speaker. This is not a speaker. It is simply a diaphragm, which is a hard diaphragm on the outside, and a rubber surround that goes on the inside. So this flexes, but you don't want to push in on this because it can separate. And I saw that on a demo unit in Best Buy. So I believe there are, I want to say 2 speakers here, and I forget what size they are. So there's one here, and that drives your radiators on the side. And then you have 2 tweeters, one here and one here. And they all face out this way. So we have Bluetooth pairing button, volume down, power. This is their link so that you can connect more than one of these together and they'll work in sync together as if they were all one unit. I forget what the max you can connect is, but I know it's a pretty high amount, which is far more than necessary. Volume plus and play pause. And supposedly this does have microphone in it, so you can answer calls, hands-free. It is Bluetooth. There's obviously no NFC on this. And if we go to the back, you notice we have a zipper pouch. And if I bring this up here so you can read this, we have service, auxiliary in, USB and USB, these are full size, and power for charging. So if we come in here, apparently this is not very easy or friendly to get into, which is kind of a downside, but I guess it'll get easier. Okay. So if you can kind of see it, there is service, just all the way over there in the corner, and that is micro USB. We have auxiliary in, which is 3.5mm headphone jack, 2 full-size USB male A's, and I lost my fingering. That didn't sound right. There you go. The charging port that uses the power brick that was over here. We're not using it. Zip it up. Now it's not what you would call waterproof. It's just a zipper, and as you can tell, you can still see in between. So you can still get water in there, but this will help keep the splashing water out. And that's one reason this is not IPX7 waterproof. So with that, I need to get this guy put up on charge. I believe it says it takes about 3.5 hours to fully charge. It is a 10,000 milliamp internal battery. And after it's charged, I will do another video on its use. And actually the first thing I'm going to do is going to go through and show you guys how to update the firmware on this. And I'm not entirely sure if it needs a firmware update. I would think it would, as it won't come with the latest firmware on it, but it helps with audio quality, digital processing, and so on. So if it needs a firmware update, I'll be able to show you that. If not, then the next thing we'll do is we'll do some sound tests. So that's the JBL Xtreme. Hope you guys liked the video. Yeah, that's about it. That's all I got. I'm really interested. I want to get into this guy. It's mostly used for my laptop, my phone, portable on the boat. This is going to be awesome. So more videos of this guy coming real soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video.